In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off story sharing on Instagram. So what you want to do is open up Instagram, go to your profile, click on the top right on the hamburger menu, click on privacy, and from there you want to scroll until you see sharing and remixes. And basically, if you click on allow post sharing to stories, if you disable that and you also disable that, potentially you can also turn off remixing, but this is not about that. This is how you basically just prevent others from sharing your stories or post sharing to stories and etc. So thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe saying this video helped you out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you.